Tja, Freunde, ja, so sieht's aus. Willkommen zurück hier bei Tales of Xillia mit Ivar dem Volltrottel, Gaius dem König und ja, was sonst alles hier war. Schlagezeit tot, während das Schiff bereit gemacht wird. So, totschlagen. Schlag dich ein bisschen tot. Ja, was zu sagen? 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow, er kann zählen. Du hast aber die ersten 4 vergessen. Na, wir wissen, dass ich die Welt retten kann. Ja. Wie auch immer, Freunde, ich will ganz kurz die Liliumkugeln zu machen, nicht wahr? Wieso geht es eigentlich nur bei mir? Von mir aus. 4 Stück brauche ich, will nämlich eine neue Arte haben. Ich bin richtig artesüchtig geworden, hey. Ist ja was Geiles hier, verdammt, rein nicht mal. Nein, es reicht nicht. Milla, du hast zu wenig ist egal. Gut, ein mehr, nicht da. Ja, gut, was soll's. Schlagezeit tot. Wie soll er das machen? Oh, Akria, ach du Scheiße.
So, I hear the pimple wants to be a nurse. Hmm? I bet it's because of that boy.
So what of it?
Don't play innocent with me. It's obvious that Jude gets you all hot and bothered.
What? That's ridiculous.
But you know, I have to admit my opinion of you has improved.
Huh? Really?
If you think with your heart instead of your brain, you'll end up killing some patient on accident. It'll be hilarious. You don't even care if your efforts end up killing people.
That won't happen.
Oh, that's right. That boy's got the hots for Maxwell, the older woman. That means no loving for you.
Huh?
Huh? Who's there? Lame.
Oho, Milla. Ich glaub's nicht. Er hat sich ein bisschen in den Schuh verliebt oder was? Oder wieso? Naja, es ist natürlich sowieso was anderes, ist ein heikles Thema, nicht wahr? Gut, wie geht's eigentlich mit uns weiter? Wo gehen wir hin? Wo ist jemand, den wir irgendwie bequatschen können? Wo geht's? Das ist jetzt...
Hey, good looking. Come here often.
Think you can charm your way back into my life? You make me puke.
Cut me some slack, will ya? After all, we finally get to fight side by side again.
I'd sooner kill you.
Easy there. Come on. It'll be just like old times.
You expect me to forget how many of us died because of you?
That's ancient history.
I was captured too, you know. Do you have any idea what I went through? I thought I'd found my place in the world by your side. Don't expect me to forgive and forget. Being tossed away once was enough.
Pressa, I request your presence. I need your opinion on how to integrate the Rashagal soldiers into our own.
Sure, I'll be right there.
See? Your new friends need you. You found your place after all.
Elvin, der Herzensbrecher. Ach du Scheiße. Die Armpresse tut mir ein bisschen leid, muss ganz ehrlich zugeben. Aber heiß ist sie, also muss sagen, Geschmack hat der gute Elvin. Oh, hallo Jude.
Why are you standing out in the cold?
Huh?
What's wrong?
Nothing. Don't worry about it.
Are you sure? Maybe you should sit down and rest for a bit.
Yes, maybe this is simply fatigue. I'll take up your offer.
Hmm? Feeling any better?
Not really, but don't worry about it. Maybe if we just chat for a while, this will pass.
Okay, sure. So, what's the outside world like?
Olympias, what do you wish to know?
Well, stuff like the climate, how the people are, things like that.
I don't really know.
Huh.
Is that strange?
No, I just figured you'd know something. But it sounds like it's been some time since you've seen it.
Well, I don't think it's a matter of memory. I simply just don't know.
Oh, don't worry about it. I was just curious, that's all.
All I know is that Spyrex use is rampant on Olympias.
Why would the people there rely on Spyrex instead of just using their mana lobes?
Using Spyrex is easier. No doubt the temptation was just too strong for them. I have a question for you too, actually.
What is it?
Do you, how do I put this?
You sure everything is okay? You're acting weird today.
The ship is ready for departure. Please return to the castle.
I guess we should head back.
Muzét, don't scare Jude like that.
Milla, may I speak with you in private for a moment?
You two can catch up. I'll just wait back at the castle.
What did you want to talk about?
You must never forget that the safety of the schism depends on your survival.
I understand. Wait, is that it?
Yes. I thought it best to remind you on the eve of a dangerous battle. Heed my words, and nothing will go wrong. Anyway, shall we go?
Wait.
You wish to ask me something?
Lately, I often feel like my actions are fraught with contradiction. This has never happened before. Do you know the reason why?
Do you mean you feel you're putting people in danger when it's your duty to protect them? You're imagining things. Elder sister knows best. Now let us go.
This isn't just my imagination. How did I always ignore these things? It's clear that Maxwell's mission and my own actions contradict each other. If you eliminate the impossible, whatever remains, however improbable, must be the truth. Howe's egg principle. In that case, who am I?
Milla, what are you doing? Aren't we heading to the castle?
Yes.
Das wird ja echt immer verrückter, Freunde. Heißt plötzlich, dass Milla gar nicht Maxwell ist, sondern irgendwie, was weiß ich, dass Maxwell eigentlich der Vater von beiden ist oder die Mutter oder das. Ich verstehe hier gar nichts mehr. Es langsam wird immer verrückter, Freunde. Immer verrückter. Aber irgendwie immer cooler und natürlich aufschlussreicher und ja, wenn sich halt eine Tür öffnet, wenn sich eine Tür schließt, öffnet sich eine andere, etc. etc. Kennt man ja alles, nicht wahr? Was soll's? Wir werden sicher irgendwann noch die ganze Wahrheit erfahren. Wer Milla eigentlich ist und die 4 großen Geister sind, wer Muse wirklich ist und. Schon geht's weiter.
Sorry to keep you waiting.
That was quick.
You could say that.
The gang's all here. Let's go see Gaius.
Hold on, everyone. Gaius and the others are taking this fight very seriously. We must make sure we are fully prepared.
Yeah, good point.
Vorbereitung. Was ist die Ohne eines Monsters? Wir sind vorbereitet, komm. Los geht's.
Relay this to all troops. We believe the enemy base to be an enormous structure. All soldiers should review their indoor combat procedures.
Yes, sir.
I anticipate difficulty getting the word to everyone. Call in all of the relay team reserves.
Yes, sir! I see you're keeping busy.
Of course. 99% of a battle is won before it starts.
So at this point, the fighting is just a formality.
I leave nothing to chance. That's why I haven't accounted for your group at all. All I expect from you is a distraction. Should you die in the process, my plans will not be disrupted.
What?
Fair enough.
Was that true for Zhao too? Did his death not disrupt your plans?
It was not, and it did. Zhao's strength was a trusted resource, not a destabilizing factor like your own. He was a man who not only bested me, but even challenged Gaius one-on-one.
Oh, were you two friends?
Friends? Ah, this must be how a child sees the world. It doesn't matter what we were. What matters now is that our military strength doesn't waver from his loss.
You certainly don't make your emotions easy to read.
You'd be wise not to waste your energy trying. The time of battle is at hand. Rest while you still can.
Okay, so kommen wir. Muzét, da kommt sie bereits.
How long do you intend to accompany us?
However long I must. It is my duty to serve Lord Maxwell in the eradication of this Exodus group of Spyrex users.
I don't recall ordering that.
Your memories are your own, but it is the truth.
Regardless, it sure is good to have a great spirit on our side.
Yes. And I would be most grateful if you would continue to direct tether with me.
I knew it. You really are in that kind of relationship.
But why won't anyone explain this to me?
Ach Mann, nee. das ist ja unglaublich.
Listen, Milla. About Ivor.
Why are you whispering?
Because Ivor can hear a pin drop half a mile away.
That's true. When he flew in on that wyvern, he was able to hear everything we said. So what is it?
I wouldn't worry you two. It's the wyverns that have great hearing, not Ivor. They navigate by channeling wind spirits to bring them every noise within miles. They probably just told Ivor what they heard.
Do you really think so?
If your handmaid really had such good ears, don't you think he'd be a little less deaf to subtext?
Oh.
So what about Ivor?
Huh? Oh, I was just going to ask why he's so deaf to subtext when he has such great ears.
Ah, a popular topic apparently.
Ja, scheint fast so, wa? So, das reicht aber, jetzt geht's direkt los hier. Direkt los! Bist du bereit abzubrechen? Natürlich sind wir bereit.
What are Rashagal's soldiers doing here?
I summoned them here, although fewer came than I had hoped.
Looks like Ivor's still here too.
That fool. He abandoned his duty to Neokera.
Your Highness, perhaps a few words.
Once, we turned our swords upon each other and fought for control of Riza Maxia. Today, we come together not as enemies, but as allies. We have already located the enemy's headquarters, a ship known as the Zenithra. Fear not the battle to come, brothers. United, we will not falter. Together, we shall reclaim our world!
Launch the ship.
Your Highness! We've detected a high-energy channeling circle surrounding all of Riza Maxia. Here it comes!
Och nein, nicht schon wieder die Lanze von Kresnik!
Happening? It's like my mana's being sucked dry.
I know this feeling.
They're using the Lance of Kresnik to absorb the entire world's mana.
The spirit fuel plan.
I won't let them hurt our people. I will protect Riza Maxia. Make us airborne!
Why can't I shake this dreadful feeling? Is my doubt causing this too?
There you are. I've been looking for you. Mind if I join you?
Sure. It's funny. I was once able to soar like this whenever I wished. But I'm not sure I realized just how beautiful the world is until now. I suppose I took it for granted.
Hey, Milla? We talked about this before, but when this battle is over...
Yes?
Actually, never mind.
I see. Jude, there's something I need to tell you. It's about me. About who I really am.
What do you mean?
I never meant for this to happen. But in the end, I lied to you.
Hey, lover boy, get over here.
Wait, what do you mean you lied?
She's calling you. You should go. We can finish this conversation later.
All right.
Och nö, kommt schon Leute, das ist ganz so spannend.
Am I afraid that Jude will learn the truth? As if the four could really come. What's happening? Sorry I'm late.
It was just like the Lance of Kresnik, wasn't it?
No doubt the Zenithra was the actual source of that light.
And I think that they put another hole in the schism.
You're right. At least no ships were able to come through this time.
Maybe they sent the mana they gathered back to Olympias.
Looks like your fuel plan theory was right.
It seems like the only time that I'm right is when I'm talking about a worst-case scenario.
Wait a minute.
Well, looky there.
Enemy ship approaching. Everyone, brace for impact.
There's our welcoming committee.
Silence all of them!
Okidoki. Kämpfen jetzt mit Gaius? Nein, wieso nicht? Verdammt, hätte er so Bock drauf gehabt. Wie kann ich schwächen? Bin immer besser. Kann ich schwächen? Mehr, wieso habt ihr keine Schwächen? Wieso habt ihr keine Schwächen? Ihr Arschgeigen! Was macht ihr hier? Nicht so schnell. Ihr bleibt schön hier, ist das klar. Und das war's. Tja, schneller als erwartet, wa?
They just keep on coming.
Gaius!
Helmsman! Maintain course and ram it to the Zenithra!
Alright, fine. If you say so. Just don't try to blame me if we crash and burn!
Uh-oh.
That was incredible.
I seem to have regained my powers thanks to your tethering.
I never imagined you would possess such power.
Of course, she's your big sis.
I'm glad you're on our side.
I am happy to lend my power to your cause.
What are you planning to do?
The mission would fail if the ship were to fall, yes?
I see. It sounds like we'll have to continue asking for your assistance.
Thank you, Muzét. Take care.
Be safe. Milla, never forget that you are Maxwell.
We must act quickly, while the enemy reinforcements are being blocked.
We should split into 2 groups.
I know. Do what must be done, right?
We will put a stop to their plans right here. Our targets are Gilland and the Lance of Kresnik.
At your service, Lady Milla.
You again?
Hey, stay out of our way!
But of course! I shall join Gaius's capable crew.
What?
Think you can fill Zhao's shoes in the Chimeriad?
Easily. Just watch me.
Let's go.
Guess they know a winner when they see one, phony.
Get over here, idiot.
How rude. But I shall let it slide.
Al.
What?
Try not to die.
Let's go. My stomach seems to be empty again. When do we eat?
Again with this one. Good performance, but terrible fuel efficiency.
Ja, genau wie ihm. Also dann, Freunde, wie es weitergeht, hier wieder mal das nächste Mal hier bei Tales of Xillia. Danke fürs Zusehen, bis dann. Ciao zusammen.